Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Aniket Vishwakarma, and today in this video I'll be doing a review of this Lava Sport backpack which I got from Flipkart, guys. You'll be shocked, guys, because this backpack I've got for just 211 rupees in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, guys. I'll be showing you this bill now. So as you can see, this is a 211 and this is a Lava Sport backpack, and the real MRP of this is around 2500 rupees, and I have got in the huge discount, so I just grabbed it fast and fast. I can do it, and I'll be showing in this video, I'll be showing you everything like all the quality of this backpack, and also what are the features of this backpack. And before starting the video, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon to get all my videos regularly. So let's start the video, guys, now. So as you can see, guys, from the front, the backpack looks something like this is like black, and this is like that army type, you can see. And this is the Live Sport branding, you can see over here. In the back you can see something like this thing is there, and over here also Live Sport branding is there. Before going to the back itself, I'll be showing you what you get in this. As you can see, guys, this is waterproof, it's like water resistance. Let me focus and show you. And as you can see, it has 6 mm back padding, so it's very good. And this has like single bottle holder, and this is like lightweight also. As you can see, it's really lightweight, guys, it's good. And this has like a 12 months of warranty, so that is really good. And also the real MRP of this is around 2500 rupees, as you can see. Let me focus. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, and this thing I have got for just 211 in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, guys. So let us look to the back now. As you can see, guys, first of all, let me tell you, this backpack is for around 224 liters bag, so it's not so big also. It's like medium size, you can see, for small traveling and all. As you can see over here, you get some compartment. As you can see, guys, you can keep like some lunch box and all, and a like tablet and all, like this, you can see. And some paper that I put here. Let me remove this one. And this was the first compartment, guys. It was a small compartment. Let me show you next what you get. You get just one single compartment next. As you can see, this is a single thing which you get. So here you have to keep all your things, as you can see. Let me show you properly. So we have the silica gels to just remove the odor and all. As you can see, it's like only single one thing. You can't keep like much more things and all. So, and this thing is one more thing, as you can see. So you can keep your clothes over here and all, and everything. And over here you can keep like something lunch boxes if you want. You can keep over here. And like it's small backpack, guys, it's not like big and all. Let me show you properly once more, guys. So as you can see, yeah. And over here you get this bottle holder, guys. Let me show you. It's like single bottle holder, as you can see. And the zip quality, let me show you properly, guys. All the zip quality, as you can see, guys, this is like really good. Zip quality is good, guys. And something they have given over here for grip and all. And this zip is also really good, guys. As you can see, it's smooth. And if you just check out on the back side, guys, this padding is good, guys. What for they have given, it has 6 mm padding. It's good for this bag. And it is like good, it's like cushioned properly, so it will not be paining for you in the shoulder for a very long time. And this is the handle, little bit what they have given, as you can see. So this is the handle, this thing. And you can just you can just adjust to your height and all, like to your size also, as you can see. So it's so much long, this thing also. And the quality of this thing, this material is very light, guys. I can say it's very thin. So I don't know how much durable this bag will be, but which bag I have done one more review. That one has like a good let me show you guys that thing. As you can see, this is the bag which I've done review previously. As you can see, this thing is really like good, guys, good material what I've used. And this is like so very little bit fat also. So I like this material, guys. Then material is same, guys, but the thickness is little bit less over here in this backpack. So that thing is there. And I don't know how long it will be durable, because I feel this is a little bit messy. I don't know why, because it looks very thin and all. I don't know. So, and over here, and this thing, something like given over here, as you can see. And for the back, it's good, guys. Back I have no complaints, because the 6 mm padding is really good, and it's very soft also. It's good. And zip quality is good, guys. I should say zip quality is good. You won't be having any problem with the zip and all. So let me show you closely what is this thing. In the zip also they have given this Lave Sport branding. Let me show over here. Sorry guys, now we'll be able to see, as you can see. Yeah, so zip is really good guys, and padding, back padding also is really good guys. Only one complaint what I have is this thing material is not good guys over here and all. It's a little thin guys. I don't know how much durable this bag will be, but for small things only you can just carry, like some 2 sets clothes and one lunch box you can keep and go. For that thing it's really good, and you can just travel with this bag for going from small short like distance and all. So that is really good. But if you compare with this backpack, then this back is really good guys. This thing I had bought for something like 237 rupees, and this thing I have got for 211 in the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale guys. So I had bought two backpack, and this is one of them, and that was the one of them guys. So guys, I like this backpack for what price they have given. I can't complain that much because I have got for just so less. And if I have any problem I can just claim the warranty guys. As you can see, it has 12 months warranty. So in my opinion this is really good backpack guys. Like it's not so much bad also. You can just keep it, no problem, and it's good guys. So I think this is the end of the video, and if you want to just check out this item, then I'll be giving all the links in the description. You can just check out from over there. So guys, this is all for the video guys. Then if you like this backpack, then please do tell in the comment section and what all you like and what all you don't like in this bag. And also if you've got this backpack, then please do comment for how much you have got this backpack, so we can compare the price and all what we have got. So guys, yeah, so this is all for the video guys. So if you like the video, then please do hit the like button and also click the bell icon to get all my videos regularly. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye bye.